Hi everyone, Jake here, and today I'm going to show you how to install WordPress and Divi using Cloudways. Very easy to do. Cloudways is my #1 recommended hosting choice. The reason I recommend Cloudways is because I use them, but I would not recommend Cloudways if you just need one site. I would probably push you more towards a shared hosting option where a lot cheaper. I use Cloudways because I have like 8 websites, so it makes sense for me. But Cloudways is more focused on high performance, and basically you're renting out an entire server. With the shared options that I'm gonna put more information on those below. It's a lot less expensive. Like they're 50 to 100 a year. Some of them have additional features, page builders, all that stuff. So I'll share a link below. I use Cloudways. I would suggest Cloudways if you're going to run more than one website. So yeah, let's get into the tutorial. I'm going to install WordPress and Divi, and let's get started. Okay, so first things first, assuming you've purchased Cloudways, you're going to want to log into your server. Okay, it takes a second. Okay, once you're logged in here, on the left-hand side, you're going to want to go to My Applications. You're going to want to add an application, add it to your server. Click on Add Application. And then, so we're installing Divi. Divi is a WordPress page builder, so we're going to need WordPress to do that. So you want to select WordPress. It will be the latest version. And then you just want to name your application, which would be website name. Like whatever your website is going to be called is what you'll name it. And then add application. So it's going to take 2 minutes here. And then once that's done, you'll have your WordPress installed and ready to go. And that's pretty much WordPress installed. It used to be a lot harder a few years back, but now most hosting, in fact, any hosting option that I'm going to recommend to you have this option where you can do a one-click installation. So no technical skills required, super easy. So let's come back when this is done, and then we'll set up Divi. All right, now that your WordPress installation is set up, you can click on this application URL here, and you can see WordPress is installed. Pretty basic, that's just a default theme, nothing special. We're going to change this by installing Divi. So next step, you're going to want to, if you've not signed up for Divi using Elegant Themes, highly suggest it. The reason I use Divi is because I can create bulk websites with no usage restrictions for, look, $89 a year. It's actually $259. Like, so you got the $89 a year if you want to minimize risk, but if you just want to do like the upfront cost, one-time payment, $249 US, and you get the Divi theme and builder. So it's got a drag and drop builder. You get all the access to quick sites, which on the layout page it doesn't show you all the layouts you get. You actually get a bunch more when you purchase Divi. You get the 300 website packs, unlimited website usage. So a lot of the page builders charge you per site. But so if you're planning to use one site, I'm going to leave some links below. I have some other options because, I think Divi's the best option, to be honest with you. But there are cheaper options if you're only going to use the one site. Divi is more a technical, I would say it's definitely more technical, but it has unlimited usage, and that's the main reason why I purchase it. Unlimited usage, use it on multiple websites, you don't need multiple licenses, it doesn't cost that much, $89 a year, and it has all these additional features. I'll leave a link below. You can make that decision for yourself. I'm just going to show you how to install it. So next step, assuming you've purchased Divi, go to your account, you want to log in, username, password, Okay, so once you're logged in, you're going to come to this members area. As you can see, there is a Black Friday sale coming, 13 days. So if you are interested, I would recommend you wait those 13 days. They are pretty well known for having some really good sales on Black Friday. I believe it's a 25% discount on everything. So that ends up being like $60. So yeah, pretty good. So yeah, so I'm not going to go over everything. I'll leave some links below into my reviews of Divi. But what we're going to want to do here is we're going to download the Divi theme. It's going to come as a zip file. So once you've done that, download it, extract it to your desktop, and then we'll get into the next part. Okay, so you're going to want to go to your WordPress site, go to the admin page. I'm already logged in, but you just log in with your username and password here. The next thing you want to do is you want to go to Appearance, Themes. You want to add new theme, upload that theme, choose file, and then you want to select your Divi zip file that you downloaded. And then just hit install now. And just wait for that to do its thing. Okay, there we go, theme installed successfully. And then you just want to hit activate. And so Divi has been installed, activated. Next so what you got to do is here, you just got to log into your account and activate your license. Okay, so now you've activated your license on WordPress. You want to go down here and you want to click on generate a new site. And so we've got two options here. We've got use a pre-made starter site or generate a website with AI. I do actually have a different tutorial on building a website with AI. So just to make things easy, let's use the pre-made starter sites. But yeah, check out that tutorial as well, the AI one, it's pretty cool. Okay, so now all you want to do is choose a starter site. Now, as you can see, these websites, they're not the same as the ones that are shown on Elegant Themes website. So a bunch of options here for you to choose depending on what you want to do. Just kind of look through the sites and choose one that kind of suits your design preferences. Honestly, I work for a marketing company. I manage about 5 million in ad spend, and the best converting landing pages I see on a daily basis are the ones that are the simplest. Like, don't overthink it. Try and find a design, you know. I mean, you can make different designs and test out different variations, but try not to overthink it. Just choose a design and make the changes for your own website. The simpler the better, honest to God. So much easier. So let's just go with this finance one here. So click on start with finance. You can add your slogan, your site name, and of course your logo. I'm not going to do that right now. And then choose the pages. You can add a bunch of pages here. You can do the about, blog, contact. All these pages have separate layouts. So make sure you take the time to preview the landing pages or preview the websites on Elegant Themes. And then you just click on generate and publish my website, and it's going to do it all for you. I mean, there are a bunch of changes that you're going to need to do. Add your own images, make your own text changes, but you'll see after this, like, it's really simple. So yeah, let's see what it looks like. Okay, so now that process is done, all you want to do here is click on view my site, and you'll see it's literally, I mean, I've not included the logo, but it's copied the layout, and you have yourself a pretty cool site straight away, just like that. I mean, obviously you're going to make the changes to accommodate your business or your landing page, but like, as you can see, I have done that. I mean, I've took the time to explain it to you, but that would take you 5 minutes, and you'll have a professional website, professionally designed website. You've got thousands of layouts to choose from, and then all you've got to do on your side is switch out any of the content. But if you've already took the time to research the layout, all you're doing is just switching it out, literally changing the image, changing the text, and you have a visual builder here on Elegant Themes that allows you to do this from the front end, so you don't really need any technical skill. I mean, Divi is actually you can edit all here, like if you really want to, you know. Like you could just keep editing, change the button names. I mean, make sure these are all linking to something, and then you want to go through each page, but like it's pretty easy to do. Like, okay, and then we can check out the other pages here. So it's created a blog page. You just have to add your content in. It's even got a email subscribe form, contact page, contact form, home page. That was with the page we were just on, and there's a service page. I mean, you can change all this, and that's probably a little bit more involved than this tutorial. But as you can see, you got all these cool site elements, and you just had to click a few buttons to get it sorted. In fact, let's have a look at some of the so the cool thing about Divi is you got this marketplace, and so you would have to purchase these premium options, but if you look through the marketplace, like you've got some even better layouts. Divi child themes, you've got, I mean, this is 21 bucks and you get all these SEO, social media and marketing theme. Let's have a look at that just to show you what I'm talking about. Check out the live demo. And so this is $21 US. It's a bit more of a premium theme, but don't get me wrong, like some of the themes that you can use in the normal subscription are just as good as this. These guys are just a private developer trying to sell this theme to you, but like you really have to explore, kind of decide what you need, and then explore all the options. But there are so many. Like you can definitely make it work without you can make it work without purchasing an additional premium theme. You can use the themes that Divi offers here. Let's see, but we've already gone and done that now. And then you can make changes here, make all your backend changes, select your colors, you know, go through all the settings, make any adjustments to your navigation. You can use drop-down menus, layout changes, single page layout, all sorts of stuff, SEO changes. Now, SEO, you can install additional plugins that are a lot better than Divi's SEO built-in one, but that's fine. And so yeah, so thank you for watching. Appreciate you watching my video, taking the time to watch this tutorial. Now you're able to install WordPress, Divi using Cloudways. You can do this same setup if you use a budget hosting option, something that's a little cheaper. I'm going to put a link to that in the video, or a link to my blog that goes over all the different options for hosting. If you use my links, I will get a commission. I am an affiliate of all these programs, but I don't recommend anything that I've not used or I'm not using. I don't see the point in that. If you do use my affiliate link, I appreciate that, and you know, it does help me to create these blog posts and these tutorials. If you're struggling with any of the technical side of the stuff and you've used my affiliate link and you just can't get your installation set up, send me a message or drop a comment. I'll do the installation for you. I'm not going to build you a website. I'll use one of these pre-made websites. But yeah, if you have used my affiliate link and just show me that you have and you need help on the technical side, I don't mind doing that. So drop me a comment, or I am on social media. Send me a message or go to my blog. But the easiest way, drop me a comment and say, I bought Divi or whatever it is that you purchase, and I need help setting it up, and I don't mind doing that. So yeah, Thanks for watching, and subscribe, because I'm going to be adding a lot more tutorials on Divi and all sorts. Thank you. Bye bye.